In this video, I'll show you how to activate 1xbet promo code. This is very easy. Like subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to do that, you're going to come over here and click on registration. In registration, the only way you can activate the promo code is by using the third option that says by email. Once you come over here, fill in your name, your details, choose your country, and then change your date of birth and your currency. And you choose all of that, also use a valid email address and a phone number that works. Then you create a password using these four criteria or requirements. Now in the promo code box, you're going to put in the promo code. This is an active promo code that works, Leo TV. If you use the promo code Leo TV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means that you deposit 1,000, you're going to receive 3,000 as bonus. So to activate this, all you have to do is click on these three boxes here and then register your account. Once your account is registered, just go ahead and complete your first deposit immediately. So deposit any reasonable amount immediately you create your account, and once that is done, your OneXBet promo code is going to be activated. Like subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.